TU 2017 Introductory MME question number 3 part B. Given the function fx equals to 2 par x, find its inverse function gx and draw the graphs of both fx and gx. Also determine the domain and range of both the functions. Okay. So if we have fx equals to 2 power x, let it be equal to y. Okay. So we have y equals to 2 power x. Now, 2 is a positive number. So whenever a positive number is raised to any power x, where x is a real number, this is always positive. Why this is always positive? Because, for example, if you have 2 power 1, it will be 2. If you will have 2 power minus 1, it will be half. If you will have 2 power 0, it will be 1. So even if the power is positive, negative, or 0, the value will always be positive. So therefore, the y value will always be greater than 0. So therefore, the range of the given function y equals to 2 power x is 0, infinity. It will keep on increasing because as x increases, 2 power x increases too. In fact, if we say limit x tending to infinity 2 power x, this will be infinity. And if we calculate limit x tending to minus infinity 2 power x. Now, as x goes to minus infinity, 2 power x will become negative and negative. It will become very, very less, and this should become 0. So this is the nature of the graph y equals to 2 power x. Okay. So now, what is happening is this. So we have y equals to 2 power x. Okay. It is defined for all x. So therefore, what is the domain? Domain is x belonging to R. That means minus infinity to infinity. And what is the range? Range is 0, infinity. Okay. So when we make the graph, basically when you put x equals to 0, y equals to 1. So this is 0, 1. And then this graph is going to be like this. So this is the graph of y equals to 2 power x. Now, suppose we want to find the inverse. So to find inverse, interchange x and y. So we will have x equals to 2 power y. Now take log with respect to the base 2 on both the sides. So we will have log 2x equals to log 2 power y. This will be y log 2. This will be y into 1 equals to y. So the inverse function is log 2x. Okay. This is the inverse function. Now logarithms are only defined for positive numbers. So what is the domain? The domain is 0, infinity. And the range of a logarithmic function is the entire set of real numbers. Because suppose you take x equals to negative, you can see that log 2 of, or suppose you take x equals to less than 1, it will be this, and this will be, which is going to be minus 1. So this function is going to take positive and negative values both. So the range is minus infinity to infinity. So let us try to draw this graph. So when x will be equal to 1, y will be 0. And of course, because if 0, 1 is on this graph, then 1, 0 should be on the graph of log. Okay. And as it is the inverse function, it should be a mirror image. Like this. Okay. You can note that limit x tending to infinity log 2x. Now, as x becomes larger and larger, log 2x becomes very large. So limit x tending to infinity log x is infinity. And similarly, you can see that x is always going to be greater than 0. Okay. So before 0, between 0 and 1, it is going to take negative values. So this is the complete solution.